Microgreens, those vibrant and nutrient-packed baby plants, have taken the world of healthy eating and home gardening by storm. Their ease of cultivation and impressive nutritional benefits make them a staple for many. However, achieving optimal growth can sometimes be a challenge. Today, we'll uncover a simple yet effective trick to enhance your microgreens growth, giving you a flourishing and bountiful yield every time. As we delve into this topic, let's first understand the basics of microgreens. These tiny seedlings are essentially young versions of vegetables, herbs, or grains, harvested after the cotyledon leaves have developed. Rich in essential vitamins and minerals, they are well loved for their compact size and potent health benefits, often surpassing their mature counterparts in nutritional value. The journey to cultivating a thriving microgreens garden starts with choosing the right seeds. Opt for organic and untreated seeds, ensuring they are free from chemicals that could hinder their growth or pose health risks. Popular choices include radish, arugula, and sunflower seeds, each offering unique flavors and nutritional profiles. Once you've selected your seeds, the next crucial step is the growing medium. A high-quality organic potting mix or coconut coir, both of which provide excellent drainage and aeration, will set the stage for robust growth. Spread the seeds evenly across the medium's surface and lightly press them down to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Now, here's where the magic happens. Our easy trick to supercharge the growth of your microgreens. Proper hydration combined with a blackout period. After sowing your seeds, mist them gently with water to moisten the growing medium. The key is to maintain a consistent level of moisture without waterlogging, which can lead to mold growth. Following this, cover your seeded tray with a dark, lightweight material or another tray to create a blackout effect. This might sound peculiar, but this blackout period mimics the natural germination conditions beneath the soil, encouraging the seeds to stretch and grow stronger in search of light. Allow this to continue for 2 to 4 days, checking daily to ensure the medium remains moist. During this time, the seeds will germinate and begin sprouting. Once you notice the beginnings of growth, around the 3rd or 4th day, remove the cover and expose the seedlings to light. A south-facing window or a grow light will provide the necessary illumination for photosynthesis, crucial for their chlorophyll development and vivid green hue. As your microgreens bask in the light, continue to monitor their moisture needs, misting them as required. Within a week or 2, depending on the variety, your microgreens will be ready to harvest. Snip them above the soil line, rinse them gently, and they're ready to adorn your salads, sandwiches, or smoothies. In conclusion, cultivating microgreens can be a rewarding and simple endeavor, especially with the help of our trick, combining proper hydration with a strategic blackout period. This method not only fosters accelerated growth, but also ensures healthy and vibrant microgreens that are bursting with flavor and nutrition. Whether you are a seasoned gardener or a curious beginner, this easy technique will surely elevate your microgreens growing experience to new heights. Happy gardening!